Today we're gonna make some keto brownies. So the ingredients are almond flour, some butter, some walnuts to give them a little bit of a texture, an egg, erythritol, and cocoa powder. So the first thing we're gonna do is to melt the butter, the stevia, and the cocoa. Since this is going to be a kind of a small recipe, so it's going to yield a small quantity of end product, we're only going to use 40 grams of butter, about 15 grams of erythritol, and 15 grams of cocoa powder. Now we're going to melt this. Let's also add a dash of salt. Okay, so right now it's kind of well incorporated, so we remove it from the heat. We let it sit for a while until it's cooled a little bit. Then we add the egg and stir to incorporate it. Alright, so once that is well incorporated, once the egg is well incorporated, we're gonna add the almond flour, and finally we're gonna add the walnuts for texture. So let's add the almond flour. Not all at once. And the rest of it. And the walnuts. So I chopped the walnuts into very small pieces. Now the oven is preheated at about 180 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna put this mixture into a pan which is lined with baking paper. And now this is going to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And 20 minutes are over. So this is what we've got. Let me take it out of the pan. We're going to let it cool down for a while. Now look at this. It actually slices pretty well. And there you have it, all sliced. You can actually see the walnut inside. I'm gonna sprinkle some unsweetened coconut flakes on top to give it a better look. Done.